Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we search about Netflix and we click in this page. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.